Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is for all my combination skin girlies. I'm going to be showing you how to prep your skin properly before you go in with your makeup, which is why I'm coming to you looking all crusty. But we are going to fix that in a moment. I have washed my face, so we are starting with a clean face. So go in with a cleanser. To wash my face, I used this. This is the Dang Ageless Mandelic Acid 3-in-1 Foaming Face Wash. Such a mouthful. This is not a face wash that you use every single day. Don't do that. No, this is going to dry you out and just damage your skin barrier. So don't use any harsh exfoliating sort of ingredients to wash your face twice a day, every single day. Don't do that to your skin. For everyday use, you want to go in with a gentle cleanser. This is the one that I'm currently using. This particular one is not open yet, but this is Cosrx. It's their salicylic, oh god, acid daily gentle cleanser. So this is the one that I currently use. I've used a lot of gentle cleansers, so I would not recommend one or the other, just anyone that works for you. I've used one from Simple, I've used one from Neutrogena, I've used a Cetaphil one. I just use any one that I find available at the time. As long as my skin is not reacting to it, I just use any one. Right now, this is the one that I'm currently using. As you can see, I even have like a backup for the one that I'm using. So this one every other day, this one every day, twice a day. So those are my cleansers, and like I said, I have washed my face already using the Dang one. Now I'm going to go in with my toner. I'm using this one from Ascend Beauty. It's their AHA toner. This has lactic acid in it, so it's an exfoliating toner. I'm just going to be going in with a lot of it on a cotton pad, and then I'm going to use this to just press onto my skin. Even though this is an exfoliating toner, I love the way that it makes my skin feel and the way that my skin looks after I applied it. It doesn't feel so drying, it doesn't snag my skin, it just feels and looks really good. Like after applying it, it feels like I applied some sort of moisturizer or something on my skin. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm hoping that you guys can see what it does to the skin, which I really love. Even though I washed my face, see the dirt that still came out. I think that every skincare girlie should invest in a portable fan like this. I find that every time that I don't want to do my makeup, I cannot just stand to do all of the steps and wait for one product to dry a bit before you go in with the other one. With a portable fan like this, you don't have that problem. You just keep it on and do your steps. It makes the product dry faster. I have my AC on now, so I'm not currently using the fan, but when I don't have that option, this is my go-to. Toner done. Now I'm going to go in with the Cosrx Advanced Snail 96 using Power Essence. It's looking like all of the products that I use. They're a mouthful to pronounce. But yeah, this is a very popular hydrating product that a lot of people use. I go in with about 2 to 3 pumps, not a lot, and I just, with my fingers, just rub that together to warm it up a bit, and then I apply this on my skin. This is another hydrating product that I love because my skin is combination. I think I mentioned that, right? I should have mentioned that at the beginning of this video, just in case I didn't mention that. But I have combination skin, which basically means part of my skin is dry and other parts are oily. So I have to take that into consideration when I am choosing the sort of products that I want on my skin. Hydration is something that I know is important, especially in the parts where I'm dry. And even for the parts of my skin that are oily, I find that hydration helps as well, just to keep it moderate. If I don't hydrate my skin, I produce more oily as opposed to when it's properly hydrated. So I prioritize hydration in my routine, which is what you are going to see a lot of the products that I use. Focus on giving me the hydration that I need and also making my skin look and feel healthy. That's what I focus on with my skincare routine. The next thing that I go in with is my niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. This one is from The Ordinary. This is a serum, and again, I like to use my fingers to apply a lot of this product, so I just put that on my palm, warm it up a bit, and go in with the product. You can already begin to see that my skin is coming alive, it's looking more healthy, it's glowing, it looks really good as opposed to when we started this video. After that, I usually go in with a vitamin C serum. I'm using this one from Q&A, vitamin C brightening serum, and this is an ingredient that helps you brighten your skin, not bleaching, just brighten. And I go in with a few pumps. Blue dude, blue moon. Now it's time for moisturizer, and I'm using this one from Neutrogena. It's from their Hydro Boost line, and I'm just going to use a little bit of this. You don't need so much moisturizer on your face, I don't think so. So I usually don't use too much, just about this size, and I'll go in with that. Shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need a fix? For the last step, I'm going to go in with my sunscreen. This is not an optional step. Even when you are applying makeup, you have to use sunscreen, or at least I personally like to wear sunscreen. Even though I'm applying makeup over it, I still love to wear my sunscreen. I feel like this helps with, not even I feel, what am I saying, it helps with sun protection even when you have makeup on. A lot of makeup products don't have, I don't think I know any foundation that has SPF. I don't think so. I don't know anyone. Apart from skin tints, those ones tend to have like skincare ingredients in them, and some of them contain SPF. The Clinique one that I own has SPF, I think, but most of the time that is not strong enough, especially if you live in Africa. That's not strong enough to protect you from the sun, so you need additional sunscreen. For foundation, I definitely do not own any foundation that has SPF, and I'm trying to think if I have seen or heard of any foundation that has SPF, and off the top of my head right now I can't think of any. So I prefer to have my sunscreen on even when I am going to apply makeup on my face. Don't forget your lips. Crusty dry lips are not cute at all, so don't forget your lips. This completes the skincare part of my skin prep. Now I'm going to show you the 2 important steps that you need to do before applying your makeup if you have combination skin. Go in first with a hydrating primer. I'm using this one from Nuban Beauty. It's their hydrating makeup base, and you can apply this all over your face or just concentrate it in the parts of your face that you are dry. Then you want to mattify the areas of your face that are oily. I'm using this Power Seal. This is from Cosmetics, and it's their Sweat and Oil Snag Tonic. I go in with a cotton pad, take some of that product, and then tap it into the areas of my face that are oily. Talking bullshit. I allow this to sit for a few seconds, and then I proceed with all of my makeup application. And this is exactly how I prep my skin every single day. I don't use primers for the days that I don't want to do makeup, but you get what I mean. This is a simple skincare routine for all my combination skin girlies. Let me know in the comment section if this is something that you are going to try. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. Please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.